When talking to people, to anyone about the importance of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, the most common thing about it is their concern, which I totally understand, is the concern of its volatility. Like up until this point, it has been extremely volatile. Okay. I believe after this next run up, it'll never crash as it has in the past. And no one's talking about this, explaining the theory why. No one's even really speaking on why Bitcoin is so volatile. In this video, an educated person such as myself, who's been in this space for 4 years, is just going to go over a few brief things and expose something at the end that's kind of comical and kind of just inform you on its volatility. So let's get right into it. Okay. Assets, global ranking by market cap. Gold trumps everything. 13.69 trillion. I do not personally believe there's that much gold on this planet, but I'm just a conspiracy theorist. Microsoft is second down here, number nine, aka Facebook, and Bitcoin is number 10. Bitcoin doesn't even have a trillion dollars in it yet, right? So what is what's one of the one things you may have heard about Bitcoin when hearing about Bitcoin? What do they compare it to? They say it is digital gold. It is comparable to a digital gold. Okay. Even the SEC is the one thing that is kind of agreed upon in this space is that it is digital gold. Okay. Now, who has heard about 401ks losing money, people not being able to retire because the funds are going broke, Social Security may not be a thing in a decade, like all of these scary things, right? These institutions that provide those 401ks, those funds and those investing funds for people to get into, those are these guys. These all got approved last month. And when you see names like BlackRock or Fidelity or Grayscale, that is big, big money. We're talking trillions of dollars. Okay. So when trillions of dollars rises Bitcoin up from number 10 to number seven to number four and then to number two, potentially, my opinion, number one someday, it's way in the future, but I believe so. You will be in such a great position from the little bit of money that you place in now. Okay. Now, they all just got approved. Billions of dollars is flowing in at the moment. And the government is still trying to scream that criminals use this thing. I've shown this several times, but a simple Google, according to the Trust Survey, 94% of state and government pension plan sponsors said they invest in cryptocurrencies. So while the government's screaming don't, yet again, here they are doing exactly what they're telling you not to. I believe this year is the biggest year to get into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. People make the huge mistake of just looking at the price of Bitcoin and not the value behind it. It is a ownership that only a few of the elite will actually physically own someday. And I'm very blessed to have been introduced to this before these greedy BlackRock companies go in and scoop it all up. I hope this video brought you value, and I hope that explained the volatility behind the cryptocurrency market. Once it reaches a certain amount of trillions, trillions will not flow out. Okay. Trillions flow in and they stay in. A couple 100 billion will be lost here and there, bad weeks, bad days, bad months. Yes, the market evens itself out. But once those trillions are in, it'll be just like gold and they'll be in forever, losing the volatility of Bitcoin. I hope this brought you guys value. Have a blessed day.